As they were looking on, he was lifted up, and a cloud took him out of their sight. And while they were gazing into heaven as he went, behold, 2 men stood by them in white robes and said,
Men of Galilee, why do you stand looking into heaven? This Jesus, who was taken up from you into heaven, will come in the same way as you saw him go into heaven.
Then they returned to Jerusalem from the mount called Olivet, which is near Jerusalem.
እነርሱ እያዩት ከፍ ከፍ አለ፣ ደመናም ከዓይናቸው ሰውራ ተቀበለችው። እርሱም ሲሄድ ወደ ሰማይ ትኩር ብለው ሲመለከቱ ሳሉ እነሆ ነጫጭ ልብስ የለበሱ 2 ሰዎች በአጠገባቸው ቆሙ። ደግሞም የገሊላ ሰዎች ሆይ ወደ ሰማይ እየተመለከታችሁ ስለ ምን ቆማችኋል? ይህ ከእናንተ ወደ ሰማይ የወጣው ኢየሱስ ወደ ሰማይ ሲሄድ እንዳያችሁት እንዲሁ ይመጣል አሏቸው። በዚያን ጊዜ ደብረ ዘይት ከሚባለው ተራራ ወደ ኢየሩሳሌም ተመለሱ።